Okay, boys and girls, you are getting out 5 color tiles. 5. Yes. Okay, and then they want you to show 4 inches. Remember, each of the tiles is how much?
1 inch.
1 inch. So if it wants you to show 4 inches, what are you going to put down?
4.
So do that now in that first box.
Oh, is that about 5?
I asked you about 5, but then how much do you need for the part? Yes.
You can break it down, please.
Okay, you guys told me you were doing 4 in the first box. Okay, I'm going to pretend like I'm drawing 4 of them. Okay, pretend like mine is doing that. I want you to trace around yours. Don't write on them, but trace over them, please, around them. And then you can kind of lift them up and then put where the lines would go, where you would lift them up. Okay? Together, they need to be together. Can't have spaces. Trace around it. All right, boys and girls. Once you have that, I want you to put how many tiles for 2 inches on the next one?
2.
Just do it. Don't say it out loud. And you can draw it. Yeah, I guess you could do 1 tile at a time and draw around them if that helps. Just put them right next to each other. Or you just do 1 square tile and then just do another square right beside it. Yes, you can do the last one. All right, keeping that in mind, looking at this next page, it says use colored tiles to make a ruler on a paper strip. Color 6 parts that are about 1 inch long. Okay, we're not going to do that. But how you did your inch things, this is like what you just did. Putting this, going all the way, okay? This was 1 inch, that green one. Then this was 2 inches, 3 inches, 4 inches, 5, okay? Now, looking at this though, I want you to know that when you're doing this on a ruler, this line is 1 inch. This line is 2. This line is 3. This line is 4. And this end line is 5. Okay, this would be 0.
What?
Alright? Yes, that means you haven't even started if you're like on 0. Okay? Line up the left edge of an object with the first mark. That's the 0 part. From here to here, that's 1 inch. From that 1 inch to this one, that's 2 inches. Okay? Or, well, it's another inch, but from 0 there is 2 inches. Okay? So, today you're going to get a ruler, and you're gonna put it up against these objects. You're gonna see about how long it is. Okay? We're gonna practice this together. Make sure you are measuring with the line at the very, very left, and not just at the end of the ruler. Okay? Don't just do the end of the ruler. You do at the end of the line. You have to line up the lines. Okay? So, share and show. You can do with your partner on your own. You can do on your own. Let's look. Okay, at problem solving.
Wait.
Does yours look like mine? You guys come to the problem solving page. All right, says, together use both of your rulers to measure the length of a bulletin board or a window. What is the length? Okay, so work with the classmate. So it looks like you can do number 9 with your partner that you have. Okay? Number 10, describe what you did on exercise 9. What did you measure and how did you measure a length that is longer than your ruler? Okay, so I'll let you do these 2 with a partner. This one will be on your own. So I want you, it says to measure a bulletin board. You can measure this. Okay? What does it say? Measure the length. The length of a window. So how tall it is. Okay? So you can do how tall this is. Okay? From here to here. No, you guys won't be able to do the doors and windows, so I'm not going to worry about that, okay?
So we just want to do the bulletin board?
No. Just the bulletin board. That's going to be your only option. So I'm probably going to have some of you start with the bulletin board and then do it. Okay. Now, if your ruler, obviously that bulletin board is going to be longer than just this ruler, right? So you have to use 2, right? This is you and your partner. You're probably going to stack them, right? Okay, and you're going to see how tall it is. All right? If you need the chair down there, you can get the chair, the step stool. You can get the step stool. All right? You're going to make sure you stack your rulers. Okay, but you need to know how many inches is on this ruler? From 0 to the end. 12. So if you have this, then you stack this, and you still need to do that. How much is that?
24.
24. And then another one would be?
36.
So let's do 1 ruler is 12. 2 is 24.
3 is 36.
Let's do 24 plus 12. 6, yep, 36. Okay, 4 rulers. 12 more. 6 plus 2 is
48.
8. 3 plus 1 is 4. So 4 rulers is 48. Plus 12 one more time. 5 rulers. 8 plus 2. 60.
Oh my gosh.
6 rulers. 60 plus 12.
72.
Okay. Now, what if you get here though and you only have like 5 inches more? Then you got 60 and you add 5 inches. Okay? Which would be 65, right? Okay.